Hello everyone, I am here to create a Telegram chatbot by using the Firebase Firestore database and the weather API, which uses the weather information and stores the user queries. In the previous video, we have only seen the Telegram chatbot, which only displays the weather of a particular location. It does not store any user queries. But now by using the Firestore database, we are storing the user queries in a particular collection. So for this we have a script node.js which is prepared by using the Firestore database and weather API. So now the main to execute the code, the main library should be installed is the Firebase admin. The command to install the Firebase admin is npm space firebase npm space install firebase admin, and after initializing and importing we have to install the Telegram bot API command also and request command also. After that, by saying this code, we can say that we have assigned our Telegram token to the variable token. We will get our Telegram token by using the bot father. After following such instructions, we will get our Telegram token. And after that, polling is equals to polling true will say that to receive, it is used to receive the updates. And after that, when we see this code, it is used to initialize the Firebase admin SDK, which is found from jkey.json file. We will get that from first we have to go to the Firebase. First we have to go to the Firebase project, and we have to create a project by using as our wish name. And after creating that, we have to go to the project settings. After going to the project settings, we have to go to the service accounts. After going to the service account, there will be a small 3 to 4 lines code displayed for us, which is used to initialize the Firebase admin SDK. This code is used to initialize the Firebase admin key. After that, we have to generate a new private key. By generating the new private key, we will get a file with JSON downloaded, and we have to name as our convenience. I have named that as key.json. It can be available here. And after that, when the user sends the history command in the bot, it triggers to the bot on text command, this line. And if the user enters the history command, if there are no queries before done by the user, then it displays as you don't have any search history. And after that, if there are some queries done by the user, then it collects all the queries from the user and starts displaying to the user by using the bot.send message. And if there is an error in fetching the history of the user, then it displays as sorry, an error occurred while fetching your search history. And after that, if when the user enters the history command, it should only display the history. If the user enters other than the history command, something like location, then it should display the weather information from the weather API. Now, if the user enters the history command, if mg.test equals to history, it should emit only the history message. And else, if it is an any location, then it should the user should be provided with some relevant features what they want, some like location, latitude, longitude, temperature in Fahrenheit and temperature in Celsius. After in Telegram chatbot, we will be seeing all these messages printed based on the particular location. And after that, by using this Firestore database, we can store the location, state, user ID, longitude to the particular collection called personal data. Here I use the personal data as a collection name. You can use as you wish. And after collecting the particular data, we will be displaying in the Telegram chatbot as stored successfully. After receiving the stored successfully message, we will be seeing that the chatbot, that is the database is the database collection name personal data can store all the values. Now let us execute our code. This is our index.js file and this is our key.json file, and now let us compile our code. For this we have to type node space index.js. Now let us compile our code. After compiling, let us go to our Telegram chatbot. This is my Telegram chatbot, which is named as Shinchan. Now let us type our code as history. Let us check what it displays. History. Now, as we doesn't have any queries before, it displays as you don't have any search history. Now let us give some location names such as Vizag. What it displays, it displayed as location, latitude, longitude, temperature in Celsius and temperature in Fahrenheit, and we got a message as stored successfully. Let us go to our collection project. For that we have to go to Firestore database, which is present here, and after that this is our collection named as personal data and personal data, and this is our information as Vizag 83.3 state and user ID. Now let us go and enter. Now let us go and enter another location. Let us enter Hyderabad. It gives the information and finally it gives the information as stored. Let us check in our database. See, we got another one with a new document. See, Hyderabad and location, longitude, latitude and state and user ID. And let us now let us type history command. Go to Telegram chatbot and type history command. So here it displays the location and state Hyderabad and the location Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. So this is the our Telegram chatbot, which gives the weather information and stores the user queries in a separate collection database. Thank you.